Welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into an essential guide on how to fill out the UK tourist visa application from online for 2025. Whether you are planning a dream trip to London or visiting family, getting your visa right is crucial. Let's get started. Visit the official website. Head over to the gov.uk visa application page. This is where you will begin your application process. Select your visa type. Choose the standard visitor visa, which allows you to stay in the UK for up to 6 months. Make sure you understand the eligibility criteria, which includes having a valid passport and proof of your travel history. Creating an account. You will need to register by providing your email address and creating a password. This account will help you track your application status. Fill out personal information. Enter your personal details including your name, address, and contact information. Be thorough and accurate. This is crucial for processing your application. Provide travel details. Specify your intended travel dates, accommodation, and agreements. It's advisable to book accommodation that allows free cancellation in case of any issues. Biometric appointment. Depending on where you are applying from, you may need to attend a biometric appointment to provide fingerprints and a photo. If you are outside the UK, this will typically be at a visa application center. Submit supporting documents. Gather necessary documents such as proof of funds, travel itinerary, and accommodation details. You may also need evidence of ties to your home country, like employment or family. Pay the application fee. The fee for a standard visitor visa is currently around £95 for a 6-month stay. Payment is made online during the application process. Track your application. After submission, you can monitor your application status online until you received a decision. Once your application is approved, you will receive a visa sticker in your passport, allowing you to explore the UK. Remember, visa rules can change frequently, so it's wise to check the official UK government website for the latest update before applying. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials and travel tips. Safe travel and good luck with your UK visa application.